Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to merge duplicate Google My Business locations and reviews. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Before we begin, there's one very important thing you need to know. Both Google business profiles must represent the same business at the exact same physical location. Google is very strict about this rule because it helps maintain accurate and trustworthy business listings on their platform. If the profiles are for different businesses or different locations, Google will not allow the merge. To start the merging process, you'll need to contact Google Business Profile Support, because only Google can merge profiles for you. Open your browser and go to support.google.com/business/gethelp. Once you're there, you'll see a support form that you need to fill out. In the first drop-down menu, select the business profile that you want to keep as your main profile. This is important because this profile's information, such as name, reviews, and photos, will be retained after the merge. Next, you'll see a text box where you need to type Merge Profile. After typing that, click on the Next button. Google will then show you a list of suggested issues. From that list, select Merge Profiles and continue. This helps Google clearly understand that your request is specifically about merging two business profiles. As you move forward, Google may display some help articles related to profile merging. These articles explain how the process works and what to expect. Once again, make sure both profiles are listed at the same location. This step is extremely important because Google will combine data like reviews, photos, and business details into one single profile. At the final stage, you'll see an option to email Google support with your merge request. Go ahead and send the email. After that, all you need to do is wait for Google's response. They may ask for additional details or confirm the merge once everything checks out. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully merge two Google business profiles into one clean and unified listing. So that's basically how you can merge duplicate Google My Business locations and reviews. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.